Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make and wear your hair in a game for free. Step 1. Open Google or Safari and search up Roblox hair textures. Then when you find one, save it to your photos. Step 2. Optional, you can go to Pixart and add stickers if you want to. Step 3. Go to our roblox.com. Step 4. When you logged in, go to Create. Step 5. On the left side, click Creations. Step 6. Click on Development Items. Step 7. Click Decals. Step 8. Click Upload Asset. Step 9. Click Upload and choose from Photo Library and click on the photo. Step 10. Name it and add a description and then upload it. Step 11. Click the three dots on right side of the pic and click Copy Asset ID. Step 12. Join this game on Roblox. Step 13. Click on Catalog, then click on Hair. Step 14. Find any hair you want and equip it. Step 15. Click the 3 stars, then click on any item you want to dye a color. Now finally paste the asset ID in custom texture. There you have it, but sadly when you leave it resets, so you have to redo it every time. And when you try to save it, it just saves your avatar. Thanks for watching. Bye.